Alright, this is James with Tactical LLC, and what we have here is a course of fire designed to combine all the skills we've talked about today. So Nate's going to go ahead and give it a shot. He's really excited. Okay, and so what we've done is we've designed this to simulate disorientation and exhaustion before you enter the course. Alright, so 10 mountain climbers, 10 push-ups. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Flip to your back. With your rifle. Get your target to standing position. Move to the barrier. Box drill. Block, engage, center defensive response. Weapon on safe. Down on the ground, knock down. Yep, right there, that works. All right, engage. Move to the barrier. All right, box drill. All right, move. Push cone. Walking. Knock down the plate. Done. That was fun, right? Clear? All right, verified. Weapon's clear.
This is Nate with Tactical LLC. What you just saw was a lot of fun. We enjoy doing that stuff. We do it as often as we can. Basically, by inducing that stress, by having people do the push-ups and the supine stuff, you kind of break down their fine motor skills. And by practicing with your fine motor skills broken down, you improve yourself. You shoot better. That way, if you are ever presented with a situation where your adrenaline spiked and you are actually having to defend yourself or your loved ones, you've been there, done that, and it's not something foreign to you, and that's what we strive for here. So give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave us some comments below. We'll see you at the next class. Be safe.